Farmeritchi's Organic Kitchen.
Eggs. Eggs are a good source of protein, both white and yolk. They also contain hard, healthy, and saturated fats and are a great source of important nutrients, such as vitamin A, B5, B6, B12, and vitamin D, K, folate, phosphorus, selenium, calcium, and zinc.
5 different ways to cook eggs.
Hard-boiled.
Cover eggs with cold water and boil for 3 to 7 minutes. Remove eggs from pot and allow eggs to cool for some time.
Poached.
Add a splash of vinegar, .to, enough simmering water, .to, cover an egg. Crack an egg and gently slide it into the water. Cook until the whites set up. Then scoop out with a slotted spoon and drain on a paper towel.
Sunny side up.
Crack into butter over a medium heat, covering once the whites turn opaque. Cook for 4 more minutes.
Over easy.
Crack eggs into butter over medium heat, flip over once the whites turn opaque, and cook for 1 more minute.
Scrambled.
Crack an egg, whisk with salt, then cook in melted butter, stirring slowly to make large fluffy curds. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now for more recipes and tips.